Hello, today I've been attempting to install titanium scales on my wife's DAKOYU Triton. These were from DAKOYU Tool. They come like a matte finish, and my wife wanted sort of like a semi polished look, so I put them on the polishing wheels, but unfortunately it brings it back to like a dull grey, as titanium is. So I then just got a blowtorch and heated them up in various places to get the different colours again. They look kind of cool. Now, I did start videoing me doing this, but there's quite a lot of swearing and washers flying everywhere, and my cat, who is sitting in the background, you can see part of him there, has been meowing like crazy and following me around, and it's been a bit of a pain. So I think he's settled down, so hopefully he's used half my desk space up, but hopefully he won't make too much noise, so we can get on with the other half. So I'm using a couple of T9s. Sometimes on multi-tools there's Loctite being used in the pivots here, and the two ways really that I get past that is if you've got metal scales, then you can use like a blowtorch or put it over the hob flame and just gently heat the pivot screws up, and that usually helps melt the Loctite so you can unscrew it. If you've got plastic or G10 type scales and don't want to damage them, obviously using a flame is probably not a good idea. So what you can do is, if you just leave this standing in some boiling water for about 5 minutes, it will help soften it up and you'll be able to unscrew them. So I'm halfway through. It's been really difficult trying to video me doing this, so excuse dodgy camera angles and everything else, but basically I am going to unscrew here. Just be really careful. Let me just move the camera down for you guys a bit. Be really careful because everything's sort of spring loaded, if you like, and in here you can see there's a washer. So just remember where everything goes. So there's the washer there. So we know that goes on top of the blade. Now obviously, because there's a liner lock here, it pushes everything up. So just be conscious of that. Right, how did I do this before? So, unscrew this. Is that spinning on the other side? Let me just have a feel. Yes, it is. Right, okay. I'm going to do these sides first. So, move that out. And then we've got... Okay. So what I think I'm going to do... No, that's not going to work. Right, okay. Let's just take the blade out. So on the blade, we've got a washer that side. So washer either side of the blade. That's easy enough to remember. And there's a pivot, goes all the way through there. But I'm going to concentrate on one at a time. Now, on the bottom here, on the plier head side, the top then, there is a screw either side of these, so it makes it a bit easier for this side. So on this one, it's like a Chicago screw, so you unscrew one and then you've got a rod, or you'll see in a second, but you have to completely remove this. So this is a bit more of a pain. So we need, where's the other screwdriver? So we need to just unscrew that. Okay, so that's coming undone now. Okay, oops. Come on. Oh, it's not going to let me do it. I'm going to have to carry on this way. There we go. Okay. The screws this side. Ooh. No! Just dropped it on the floor. And I've just found it. Phew. Okay. So, what we're going to have to do here, now, I don't know if you can see, you've got some plastic spaces in here, so don't lose those. There's one there. Okay. Cool. And see, that holds everything together. Now, it's good to use like a small bar, something that would fit in there, so when you push that through, you can hold everything in place. Take that screw off there. Okay. So we've sort of held everything in place there. And now, take that off gently. There's a spacer there. So be conscious of that. We need the scale now. Which one was it? It was this one. Okay. So, let's make sure everything's all right in there, which is not now. So you see that everything's dropped down. Oh, the joys. Okay. I knew it was a dumb idea, me trying to video me doing this, but hey ho. What has happened here? That's all the internal tools, isn't it? Trying to open this out. Yeah. Okay. So that's the internal tools. So we've got to move all of those up. Again, guys, this is so much easier if you're not trying to video it. I'm trying to sort of keep things at an angle so you guys can see, but I am, as you can see, struggling. Why aren't these moving up? There you go. No, no, no. Okay. Let's try and get some kind of... It's so awkward. Okay. Some. Okay, so I've got, save those two. I've just got to try and push, no, that one up there. There we go. I think have I done it? Yeah, cool, okay. Right, so what I'm gonna do is, no, I've got to get this one on first, haven't I? Am I making this look really difficult? I think I am, aren't I? Is it that way? Let me close these so I can see now. Oh no. The multi-tool gods aren't liking me today. Okay. Right, so that goes like that. Good. Okay. So this has to have a spacer in, and that goes that way up. And what I may do here is that goes there like that. Okay, so that's how that goes. Did we have a washer? No, we didn't. Okay, so what I'm going to do is hopefully push this through. Oops. Now, push this bar down when you do this, the unlocking mechanism, because it frees everything up. wiggle. Should be able to, hopefully, there we go, we're through. God, what a nightmare that was. Okay, we're through on that side. Have I forgotten anything? No, which is cool. Okay. Now, spacers in there? Yep. So now what we need to do is put the knife back in. Okay. So it was washer. Then the knife blade, which goes that way. Oh, can I get away with this? Let's do it open, actually, it'll be easier. Or not. Come on. So knife blade, and then we had another washer, like so. And hopefully I'll be able to lift that over there. Sorry guys for this rubbish videoing. Okay, and then we've got the screw. I'll put that back in. Oops, come on, come on. There we go. Right, just do that loose for now. Wow, okay, so that's that side. And then this side, I'm hoping will be a bit easier. Who knows? Okay. Take that off. Okay. You keep that pressed down, and where's the other scale? That's here. Come on. Like I said, guys, you won't have the issues that I'm having, I promise you. It's just trying to film it for you lot is emotional, to say the least. I mean, I'm already sort of 12 minutes in. This should, well, it'll probably take you no more than 20 minutes. Okay, and lastly, we can't forget the spacer, which goes that way. If I can move that slightly, on it goes, and on we go there. Why isn't that lining up? Something's amiss. Doesn't look right. What have I done wrong? I don't think I've done anything wrong. Ah, that looks, that's it. I think I've just, the tools weren't quite aligned properly. There we go, that's better. Fun, isn't it? Okay, and lastly, we put that screw on, do it up. Right, let's just make sure everything's working, and then we'll do a final tighten up. So, yeah, this needs tightening. The blade wasn't centered just then, but now it is. I'm going to back that off a tiny bit. Now, when you do this, you can add some more Loctite onto your threads if you want. I don't normally bother. I just, you know, when I regularly service my tools, so I'll just give them a little tighten up, or yeah, that's a bit stiff, that one. So just knock it back a little bit. That's better. Oh, let me just zoom you guys out a little bit. That looks really cool, doesn't it? I really like those. Make sure the tools come out okay. Oh, that's a point. Put my bit driver back in. Yeah, they come in and out okay. And that, They're a bit loose, so we'll just tighten those up a little bit. Where's my other screwdriver gone? There it is. Come on. Ha, this is why I've got the little vise over there. If you're doing this at home, you can just sort of really just put it between your knees really, and it'd be a lot easier. Oh, that's better. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'll have a little more of a play around in a minute with that. All liner locks work, just make sure. Yeah, locks into place. That locks into place. Blade locks into place. All good. Wow. Well, sorry that took so long. Yeah, that was interesting. But like I say, if you're doing it without having to film it, it will be a lot easier. So I hope that's helped. Sorry it took so long. Till next time.